Best how to get rid of lower belly fat. To get rid of lower belly fat, find a diet or exercise buddy. Losing weight on your own can be difficult, especially when people around you are eating unhealthy things. Find a friend to diet with so that you can help keep each other motivated, share tips and tricks, and keep each other company while exercising. Studies have shown that people lose more weight and keep it off longer when they have a good support group. Keep a diet journal. Studies have shown that people who keep track of the food they eat by writing it down tend to lose weight faster, and keep it off, than those who don't. This is partially due to the fact that writing things down forces you to be held accountable for your decisions. Make sure to be as accurate as you can with your journaling. Try using an online calorie calculator, diary, or just keeping a handwritten journal. Apps such as MyFitnessPal and other websites help you keep track of the foods you eat and allow you to look up the calorie content of various foods. Take measurements. Track your progress by taking measurements of your waistline or weight before you start dieting. Weigh yourself daily or weekly to see what progress you've made over time. Try to weigh yourself at the same time of day and wearing the same clothes for the most accurate reflection of progress. Weighing yourself daily may help you quickly identify any issues with your weight loss regimen. If you see the scale creeping up, you can go back through your journal to see if you are overeating, or you can increase your cardio, all before you gain too much weight. Also, periodically re-measure your waist or hips to see how much fat you've lost around your stomach.